Good afternoon, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in our today's class in the course title Rural Sociology and Educational Psychology. Today's topic for discussion is social groups. Okay. In previous class we discussed about the Indian rural society, their meaning, definition, and the characteristics of Indian rural society and interrelationship between the rural society and urban society. So today we are going to discuss under this topic, that is a social group, what is actually group, what is a social group, what is the classification of social group in detail. So let's start our today's topic, that is the social group. So first of all, what is meant by group? So group is nothing but it is when two or more people come together and they have some conversation with each other. It's called your group. Two or more people when come together, they form a group. Okay. What is a social group? Social group is nothing but it is one of this unit. What kind of the unit? It is one of the unit of two or more person. Okay. इन मराठी सोशल ग्रुप सामाजिक संघ किंवा सामाजिक गट म्हणजे काय, जेव्हा दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त लोक एकत्र येतात, त्यांच्यामध्ये काही रेसिप्रोकल कम्युनिकेशन म्हणजे एकमेकांमध्ये काही संवाद होतो, त्याला आपण सोशल ग्रुप किंवा सामाजिक संघ असं म्हणतो. ठीक आहे. अ सोशल ग्रुप इज अ युनिट ऑफ टू और मोर पर्सन इन अ रेसिप्रोकल कम्युनिकेशन अँड इंटरॅक्शन विथ ईच अदर. So what is the basic difference in between the communication and interaction? Communication is when two or more people have conversation with each other. They share their feelings, thoughts, okay, emotions. That is we called as a communication. जेव्हा दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त लोक एकमेकांसोबत त्यांच्या फिलिंग्स, त्यांच्या भावना, त्यांचे विचार शेअर करतात, त्याला आपण कम्युनिकेशन म्हणतो. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ड्स, शब्दांमध्ये. ओके. म्हणजे एकमेकांशी बोलून. इंटरॅक्शन काय आहे? इंटरॅक्शन इज ऑल्सो संवाद, त्याला पण आपण संवादच म्हणतो. इंटरॅक्शन इज नथिंग बट इट इज अ शेअरिंग द फिलिंग्स ऑर थॉट्स इन बिटवीन द टू पर्सन्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ड्स अँड ऑल्सो गेस्चर और सिम्बॉल. मीन्स देर इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू हॅव द वर्ड्स विथ इच अदर. वी कॅन हॅव द कन्व्हर्सेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिम्बॉल और गेस्चर. म्हणजे हावभाव करून सुद्धा आपण एकमेकांबद्दल संवाद साधू शकतो. इट इज अ टू वे प्रोसेस इंटरॅक्शन. ओके. कम्युनिकेशन इट मे बी द वन वे प्रोसेस ऑल्सो. सो this is about the your social group. Then again another definition of social group according to the Gillian, a social group is a two or more persons in a contact directly or indirectly. When two or more persons have the contact with each other directly or indirectly is called as your social group. जेव्हा दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त लोक एकमेकांसोबत प्रत्यक्ष और अप्रत्यक्षरित्या संवाद साधतात किंवा संपर्क करतात, त्याला आपण सोशल ग्रुप असे म्हणतो. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सोशल ग्रुप. देर इज अ डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सोशल ग्रुप इज देअर. म्हणजे सामाजिक गट किंवा सामाजिक संघाचे विविध प्रकार आहेत, ते आता आपण डिस्कस करणार आहोत. अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिफरंट क्रायटेरिया देर इज अ 12 क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सोशल ग्रुप इज देअर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड इनलिस्ट दॅट सोशल ग्रुप. First, according to the nature of interaction, okay, in that primary group and secondary group is there according to the nature of interaction. Then second, according to degree of organization. What is organization? When people are come together, two or more people are come together, they have some purpose to achieve. Okay, the common purpose to achieve, that is your organization. So for example, there is a formal and informal organizations are there, of groups are there. Okay. So according to that, particular people who are in the particular group, they are going to achieve their objectives. So under the degree of organization, formal and informal group is there. Formal group is nothing but, so we are going to discuss in the next slide what is actually formal group and informal group. फॉर्मल ग्रुपला आपण मराठीत औपचारिक गट असं म्हणतो. and informal group, अनौपचारिक गट. औपचारिक गट or formal group is nothing but they have some rules regulation, they have office, they have name, and they have some fixed objective. People are going to achieve that particular objective. Okay, it is a very rigid in a structure, and people are not having the authority to take their own decision, so they are not free to take the action. Informal group is nothing but it have some rules, it did not have any rules and regulation, it is a free to act people who are in the particular group. Okay, then next is a reference group. Reference group in Marathi we call it sandarbha gat. Okay, group is like where the people in that particular group are identified through that particular group. So whatever the attitude and values of that particular group, they should adopt that attitude and values, and they are going to take the advice up to the particular person before taking any final decision. Then the next is according to the duration of existence. According to the duration म्हणजे कालावधीनुसार, again there is a two types are there, that is a permanent group, कायमस्वरूपी गट, permanent group and temporary group. Permanent group is a on the how much longer period the particular population or group of people living in the particular area, and temporary group for the short period the peoples are come together. Under the temporary group there again some types are there or some subtypes are there, that is a crowd, public, audience, mob and herd. Okay, so these are the subtypes under the duration of existence. Then next classification is according to the size of the group, that is a big group, a small group, big group. So what is a small group? म्हणजे छोटा गट आणि मोठा गट. Then according to the nature of membership, there is a non-voluntary group, involuntary group and voluntary group. Okay, so according to the nature of membership, so what kind of the membership you have with particular group is it is a depend on your choice. Okay, if you have any choice, that is a voluntary group. Then there not having any choice, you must is the part of that particular group, that is then it's a non-voluntary and involuntary group. Then the next is according to the territorial limitations. Territorial limitations means according to the limitation of the particular area, it is fixed by some boundaries. Okay, so in that natural territorial group, artificial territorial group and non-territorial group. Natural म्हणजे नैसर्गिक बाउंड्रीने फिक्स केलेला, आर्टिफिशियल म्हणजे कृत्रिम प्रकारे केलेला, आणि नॉन टेरिटोरियल म्हणजे त्या कृत्रिम आणि आर्टिफिशियल दोन्ही प्रकारे न केलेला. So these are the some according to the territorial limitations. Then next is according to the profession or occupations. Okay, means what kind of the particular occupation have that particular group or the profession have with the individual persons. Teaching is there, education system is there. Okay, in that teaching is there, teacher, professor, medical that is a doctor is there, engineer is there, so like that. Then the classification based on the social class. Okay, in that horizontal group, vertical group is there. Okay, so we are going to discuss explanation later on. Then the classification based on the personal feeling, what kind of the feeling is having with that particular group, that is in group is a we feeling or my feeling is there, and out group is a I feeling is there. So like that things are there. It is sense of attachment. So in group there is a having the some personal sense of attachment is there, but out group there is not having that kind of the sense of attachment. Then classification based on the type and quality of relationship, what kind of the quality of your relationship with the particular group on the basis of that Gemeinschaft group and Gesellschaft group. So this is the classification of your social group. हे झालं तुमचं classification social groups. So now we are going to discuss in today's class about our main classification, that is which according to the interaction. Okay, then the reference group according to the degree of organization and according to the duration of existence. So these are the classification we are going to discuss today. So according to the nature of interaction, that is a primary and secondary group. Okay, so these 4 classification where whatever we are going to discuss in today's class, जे की आज आपण डिस्कस करणार आहोत ते खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे फॉर युअर एक्झामिनेशन पर्पज. Okay, and there is a lot of objective type questions also asked from this particular topic. So primary group म्हणजे काय ते पाहूयात आपण पहिले. What is a primary group? Primary group is nothing but it is having in a small in size, means whatever the peoples present in this group in a small in size, about 20 to 30% are there. Relationship between the peoples, ह्या गटामध्ये किंवा ह्या संघामध्ये जे काही लोक आहेत त्यांचं एकमेकांसोबतचं नातं किंवा संबंध कसे असतात ते इंटिमेट अँड पर्सनल. दे आर व्हेरी क्लोज टू इच अदर, हॅविंग द पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप विथ इच अदर. फेस टू फेस कॉन्टॅक्ट इज मच मोर इन दिस प्रायमरी ग्रुप. म्हणजे समोरासमोर जो काही कॉन्टॅक्ट होतो, जे काही संवाद होतो, जे काही तुमचा संपर्क होतो तो जास्त असतो. मोस्टली परमनंट टाईप ऑफ मेंबरशिप असते प्रायमरी ग्रुप. इट्स मोस्टली परमनंट टाईप ऑफ द मेंबरशिप. इनफॉर्मल मेंबर रिलेशनशिप इज देअर, अनौपचारिक रिलेशनशिप इज देअर. ओके, then whatever the feeling is there, okay, in between the members of this group, it is an informal group, that is a we feeling and my feeling is there. Okay, so as we taken the example of family, so what kind of the relationship of you with your family, that is it is a personal, or it is having some sense of attachment or belongingness is there, we feeling. So you are not think only of yourself, you are thinking of your family member also in that. So that is a we feeling is there, it is very strong amount. Again, whatever the there is not having any office or regular meeting, whatever the decision takes place are the traditional one. Example is a family, playgroup, village, community, recreational. So we are going to discuss when the difference is there. And what is about the secondary group? What is about the secondary group? Secondary group is a large in size, personal or aloof relationship is there. So what is the aloof relationship? Aloof means people who are in that particular group, they are alone. They have the indirect relationship between the other members or other persons who are present in that particular group. Then face to face contact is a little, and it's a temporary relationship, membership is there. Okay, it is a temporary and formal relationship. So having some, suppose for example political party is there, so when you are want to take appointment, want to contact with a particular political leader, or suppose MLA is there, so you should take the appointment first of all to contact with that particular person. So it is a formal relationship, and having some rules regulation is there, having some office is there, some name is there. So political party, there Congress party, Bhajap party, all this type of the parties are there, or it has some rules and regulation. Okay, so according to that members can follow the particular procedure. Then the secondary group also did not have any we feeling or my feeling is there. There is I feeling is there, not sense of strong amount of pressure about the we feeling. It's have name, office and regular meeting. Okay, so this is about your secondary group. Example is a political party, and these are the difference. When the question is asked like that, you should write the difference between the primary and secondary group. You should write like this. Okay, first of all, size. So primary group is a small in size, that is about the less than 20 to 30%, and secondary group is a large in size, so it may be the more than 30 to 60. Okay, relationship is a intimate and personal relationship between the members in a primary group. Secondary group impersonal and aloof or indirect relationship is there. Primary group with much face to face contact, secondary group little face to face contact. Primary group is a mostly permanent membership is there, secondary group is a temporary membership is there. Informal relationship with primary group and formal relationship have with the secondary group. Then present strong amount of pressure, that's a we feeling is more in a primary group, but not present a strong amount of pressure in a secondary group. 7 number, it does not have any name, office or regular meeting. Okay, but in secondary group this have some name, office or regular meetings are there. Decisions taking at this in this group is a more traditional, here more rational in a secondary group. Examples of primary group is a family, प्ले ग्रुप, विलेज कम्युनिटी, रिक्रिएशनल. रिक्रिएशनलला मराठीत काय म्हणतात, मनोरंजन करणारा गट. सो इट इज अ एंटरटेनमेंट टाइप ऑफ द ग्रुप इज देअर. सो यू कॅन spend your leisure time there, okay, to spend time in your hobbies, sports, like that. And here is secondary group, there is a political, farmer union is there, political party, farmer union, trade union, cooperative society. These are the example of secondary group. So this is about your nature of interaction, that is a primary and secondary group. Then we move towards the second classification, that is according to the duration of organization. Okay, so what is the organization? I am told you what is actually organization is there. So first of all we discuss about the formal. So formal group is nothing but it have some definite procedure of functioning, having some definite role, rules, operation is there. Rigidity is more is there, means what, people who are in that particular group did not have that much authority to take decision. Whatever the rules or regulation are there, they should follow that only. It is a most stable group. Due to the rules regulation, its stability is more in a formal group. Okay, what is the informal group? Informal group is that did not have any definite procedure of functioning. Okay, no definite role or rules of operation is there. Member are free to act and think. म्हणजे जे काही मेंबर त्या ग्रुपमध्ये आहेत ते फ्रीली ॲक्शन घेऊ शकतात, फ्रीली विचार करू शकतात. स्टॅबिलिटी इज लेस अँड ब्रेक ॲट एनी टाईम. स्टॅबिलिटी म्हणजे स्थिरता, स्थिरता इज खूप कमी असते ह्या ग्रुपमध्ये, इनफॉर्मल ग्रुपमध्ये. इट विल बी द ब्रेक ॲट एनी टाईम. सो व्हॉट आर द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ फॉर्मल ग्रुप? इट इज अ विलेज काउन्सिल, सर्व्हिस कोऑपरेटिव्ह, लेबर युनियन. So these are the formal groups, have some objective, have some rules regulation, and they suppose for example labor union is there. So labor union, the one is the leader of that particular labor union, and whatever the rights of that particular labor, they should fight for that. Okay, and somehow some of the authority should be given to that particular leader of that labor union. Village council, service cooperative, so have some definite rules and regulations. Informal play group is there, friends group of neighborhood. So play group or friends group, that is not having any rules regulation. We talk with your friend with freely anything. Okay, not having any rules for it. You just talk about this, you just talk about that, or whatever it may be. So that is your informal group. Then we are talking about the next classification, that is a reference group. Reference group संदर्भ गट ज्याला आपण म्हणतो. So what is this reference group? It's any group with whom individual identify and whose attitudes and values they adopt. So whatever the attitude, what is the attitude? Attitude म्हणजे काय? दृष्टिकोन म्हणतो आपण मराठी. So attitude is nothing but the particular person have the they are look towards particular thing or object favorable or unfavorable way. म्हणजे एखाद्या गोष्टीकडे किंवा एखाद्या व्यक्तीकडे पाहण्याचा दृष्टिकोन तो एकतर फेवरेबल असू शकतो किंवा अनफेवरेबल, पॉझिटिव्ह असू शकतो किंवा निगेटिव्ह असू शकतो. दॅट इज अबाउट युअर ॲटिट्यूड. व्हॅल्यूज इज गिव्ह द गायडन्स टू सी or to see towards particular object, okay, in a right way. So you should take the decision in a right way. So that is about values. So particular value or attitude having the with that particular group, individual of that group is identify with that values and attitude, and they should adopt that attitude and values. Again, reference group is with which an individual feels identified and may refer to the in taking decision and actions. Okay, particular individual person should identify with that particular group and they should take the decision and action according to that. It is a group of person whom an individual consult before taking an important decision. So this reference group is what? It is a group of person. As is shown in this picture, one girl is from that particular group. So before going to take any important decision, he should consult with the other persons. Okay, and after consulting this, he should or she should take the important decisions. So like that. Again, it may contain members from the primary group, internal group or formal group. So member of the primary group and formal group, so the member of this reference group. Again, I want to tell you the what is actually this reference group. Means, for example, villager consult or seek opinion from a prominent person before taking final decision. Such type of the group is known as a reference group. Suppose one village is there, okay, and the villagers means people who are living in that particular village, they should go to the particular person, that is a prominent person or local leader, to seek opinion. म्हणजे त्याच्याकडनं ओपिनियन घेण्यासाठी किंवा सल्ला घेण्यासाठी जातात. ओके, कशासाठी? एखादा डिसिजन फायनल करण्यासाठी. सो टू टेक द फायनल डिसिजन, that group is called as your reference group. That is a sports club is there, sports is there, family is there. Sorry, school club, sports and family is there. Okay, suppose any school club is there, there is a different kind of the clubs are the music, computer. Okay, so particular person if having the interest in the music, so he should go to the particular school club, and before taking, if he or she want to take join a particular music group, okay, but he will take the first of all consult with the particular that club. Like a family also, so you should, before taking any decision, you should take the opinion of your member, head of the family, your father. After that you are going to take a final decision. So this is about the reference group. It is very important. Then the according to the duration of existence, there is a temporary group and permanent group is there. Okay, so what is the permanent group? The group living in a geographical area for a longer period. ग्रुप म्हणजे काय? नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स. वेन द पर्टिक्युलर नंबर ऑफ पर्सन, म्हणजे जेव्हा खूप सारे लोक, म्हणजे जेव्हा एखाद्या लोकांचा समूह एखाद्या एरियामध्ये खूप काळापासून जर राहत असेल तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? परमनंट ग्रुप असं म्हणतो, कायमस्वरूपी गट असं म्हणतो. देर आर फॉर्मॅलिटीज अँड डिफाईन्ड रोल्स टू प्ले. ओके, the members tied together by potential ties and formalities. They have some formalities and they tied with that particular formalities. Example of this permanent group is a community, state, region and tribe. Okay, so particular community is there. Community is what? The people who are living in the particular area, they have the common interest, common values. Okay, same geographical area, that is your community. State, Maharashtra state is there, Andhra Pradesh state is there. So Maharashtra people who they are living in this state from 12 to by their birth, not we are counting the years, by their birth they are living here. Okay, so they are, that is one of the example of permanent group. The region is there, Vidarbha region is there, like that region is there. Tribe, tribal area, some of the Adivasi people are living in that particular tribal area since so many years. So that is a particular area is called as a tribe. Okay, that people are living in the particular area. So this is about the permanent group. Okay, temporary group, the group assembled for a short period are called temporary group. Okay, एखादा संघ हा काही काळासाठी, खूप कमी वेळासाठी एकत्र येतो, त्याला आपण टेम्पररी ग्रुप म्हणतो. ओके, so this type of the group have no emotion attachment is there. Members influence one another इनडायरेक्टली ओनली. म्हणजे त्या ग्रुपमधले जे काही पीपल एकमेकांना इन्फ्लुअन्स हे इनडायरेक्टली करतात, डायरेक्टली कोणाचाच कोणाशी काही संबंध नसतो. ते दॅट इज युअर टेम्पररी ग्रुप. पीपल ग्रुप असेंबल फॉर अ शॉर्ट पिरियड, त्याला आपण टेम्पररी ग्रुप असं म्हणतो. तात्पुरता गट, तात्पुरतं जमा झालेले लोक. सो हियर अंडर दिस टेम्पररी ग्रुप there is again subtypes are there. There is a crowd is there. So what is this crowd? So crowd is nothing but it is the most elementary type of group. It is aggregation of human being, aggregation of human being in which individual begins to respond as a unit to a common focus of attention and dispersion when their interest vanishes. Means what? It is a gathering of the human beings. Okay, and they are respond to the particular unit, have some common attention. When the particular attention is vanishes or their interest vanishes, the particular attention, all the people are disappear. ओके, देअर डिस्पर्शन ऑफ द पीपल इज देअर. म्हणजे जर एखादा इन्सिडेंट जर जर असेल किंवा एखादी घटना घडली असेल, ती घटना पाहण्यासाठी लोक गर्दी करतात. क्राऊड म्हणजे काय? इट इज इन मराठी इट इज अ गर्दी. तर गर्दी करतात. जेव्हा त्यांना कळतं की ते एक पर्टिक्युलर घटना कशामुळे घडली आहे ते कळाल्यानंतर ती गर्दी आपोआप काय होते? कमी होऊन जाते. त्याला आपण गर्दी किंवा क्राऊड असे म्हणतो. वेन द पीपल आर कम टुगेदर, वेन एनी इन्सिडेंट इज हॅपन, दे मेक दी gathering towards that particular incident. After their interest is completed, they are know what actually that particular incident is. After that they are vanishes, they are disappear from that particular place. So that is your crowd. Okay, they did not have any name, no leadership, and not any internal organization. So this is about your crowd. Then the public is nothing but is a secondary group with a crowd like behavior. Okay, सो हिअर वॉट द मेंबर्स कम फ्रॉम द डिफरंट वॉक ऑफ लाईफ. म्हणजे ह्यातले जे काही मेंबर्स आहेत ते वेगवेगळ्या फील्डमधून किंवा वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणाहून आलेले असतात. दे हॅव सम कॉमन डायरेक्शन. इट्स कॉल्ड ॲज पब्लिक. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द पब्लिक. व्हॉट इज अ ऑडियन्स? श्रोता म्हणतो आपण त्याला. इज अ पब्लिक विदाउट इंटररिलेशनशिप अमॉंग द इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स. इट इज अ वन ऑफ द पब्लिक किंवा असे लोक जे एकत्र येतात पण त्यांच्या एकमेकांमध्ये काही एक संबंध नसतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, लिस्नर आर देअर, स्पेक्टॅटर्स आर देअर. जे की पाहणारे, जे की ऐकणारे जे आहे त्याला आपण ऑडियन्स म्हणतो. सो इन थिएटर, हॉल और बिफोर रेडिओ और टेलिव्हिजन, दॅट वी कॉल्ड ॲज अ ऑडियन्स. व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू सी द मूवी, ओके, इन द थिएटर वी आर गोइंग टू, so there various kind of the peoples are there. Okay, lot of peoples are there. All the peoples watching the same movie for 2 to 3 hours. After completion of that particular movie they went out. They did not, but they are, for some period they are called a group. They are called a audience. Okay, by why? Because they are watching the particular movie for 2 to 3 hours. So it is one of the temporary group, that is a audience. Then mob. So what is the mob? म्हणतो आपण गर्ल्सचा मॉब आला, बॉईजचा मॉब आला. It is one of the crowd, or some peoples are come together to show their anger, some show their positive action, okay, towards a particular thing. So there is a kind of the rally or morsha is there, okay, to oppose any particular incident or particular misbehavior happen in our society or community. So it's a crowd in a positive action, and it is motivated by anger or other emotional aspects. For example, why morsha or rally is organized? For what purpose? To oppose any particular misbehavior is happen in our society. Okay, suppose for there is a rape case happened in our India, in our Maharashtra, in our area. So people are some social worker or some political party or some women members, particular self-help group or particular organization, they come together, okay, with the slogan, with the symbols, okay, and they are showing their expressions or showing their emotions toward the particular incident. Okay, that is your mob. Usually it has one leader. Okay, members use the symbols or slogan to express their emotion, to oppose the particular that case, and to punish the particular criminal of that case. Okay, so that is about the mob. हर्ड. व्हॉट इज अ हर्ड? हर्ड म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो ॲनिमल्सचा हर्ड, ॲनिमल्सचा कळप किंवा पक्ष्यांचा थवा इन मराठी. सो इज अ क्राऊड हॅविंग अ लीडर. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द क्राऊड. इट इज ऑल्सो गर्दी, बट इट हॅव लीडर. नो स्ट्रॉंग इमोशन्स, मोटिवेशन इज देअर. In mob there is a strong motivation is there, emotional motivation, but in the herd there is no strong emotional motivation is there. Obey the order of leader without question and understanding. Whatever one leader is there in this herd, and what the leaders should tell to their members, all the members are obey their questions, obey their order without any questioning and understanding. Okay, for example, एखादा म्हटलं तू विहिरीत उडी मार तर तू लगेच मारणार, लाईक दॅट. So this is the classification of social group we discussed today. So this whatever the remaining part of this classification is there, so we discuss in the next class, and whatever the important question and reference book, that's also we discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.